let's start. Can I get somebody to tell me how to do number 1? Ivan.
So we're gonna do the F, and then what's the one called? The little one.
Say that again.
What's the little one called?
Prime.
Yeah, you F prime, and then X parentheses X, and then you're gonna do 6 parentheses 6 times 10 X, and then 10 minus 1, and then you're gonna do parentheses 1 times 9, and then X 9 minus 1 plus parentheses 6 times 1 minus 1.
What are you missing here?
Plus. Is it a minus?
Mm-hmm. Are you putting anything here? You should. Yep. X to what? 1 minus 1. Okay? You have to show that. Alright, questions? Go ahead, Ivan, keep going.
And then you're going to multiply 6 times 10, which is going to be 60. And then you're going to subtract 10 minus 1, that's going to be 9. Then minus, you're going to multiply 1 times 10, which is 9. And then you're going to subtract 9 minus 8, and it's going to be 8. And then plus 6 times 1, which is 6. X. And yeah. I'll give you right.
Say that again.
Yeah, because that's 0.
Okay, yeah, it is 0. So then what does this just become?
6.
Just 6. Good job. Questions? Are we sure? No questions. We sure we're sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't do anything with the 6.
No. Steven, why is that a 0?
I don't know, it's just a number.
Okay. Does anybody know why that is a 0? Melissa?
Because the exponent is x1 minus 1.
Oh no, he's talking about 2.
Oh, because it doesn't have a exponent or a...
Yeah, what's it called?
Yeah, because it's a constant.
It's a constant, okay? So whenever you have a number without a variable, the automatic derivative is 0, okay? Any other questions? All right, can I get somebody to do the next one? If you don't know how to do it, ask questions or lead us through it. Melissa? G prime x, okay. Mm-hmm.
Plus 14 over 3 times 2. X 2 minus 1. And then x minus g1. And g prime x. Plus 5 x over s1 6.
Okay.
14 x 2.
Very good, very good. Questions? I see we're writing it down. Make sure you understand it, okay? Don't just write it down and copy. Make sure you understand what's going on. Anthony, you still writing down? Isai, Diego? Okay. Let me know when I can go. Good? Everybody good? Okay. Can I get somebody to do number 3? Joaquin?
First off, I just bring everything down, so it's 15 over 3x, 9 minus 2.
15 over 3x, 9 minus 2?
Oh, 4.
Okay. Okay, why are you doing this, Joaquin?
Because it's for its division,
And what do you do to the exponents when it's division?
multiplication.
No.
Also
Subtraction. Okay? Go ahead.
Then plus 3 over 7x, 5 minus 2.
Okay.
And then I do, then I divide 15 over 3 and I get 5x, x to the power of 5. And then plus 3 over 7x to the power of 3.
All right, let me stop there. Are there any questions so far?
We kind of fix something because I put 9 minus 2 instead of 9 minus 4.
Yeah. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
And I do dy over dx.
Okay, stop. Why are we using this notation instead of function notation? Anybody? Why do we use dy dx instead of f prime, g prime? Is this a function? Is this a function? Right, no, Anthony, this is not a function. This is an equation, okay? So you need to make sure that you're using the right notation. Sorry, Joaquin, go ahead.
Okay, then I put 5 times 5. And x, 5 minus 1. Plus 3 over 7 times 3. And x, 3 minus 1. And then I multiply 25x to the power of 4 plus 9 over 7x to the power of 2.
Questions? Are we sure? Okay. Let me zoom out and move up. I know some of you are still writing, so I'll give you a minute and then show you how to do number 4. Number 4 looks complicated, but it is not. Okay? Okay, this is a fraction, obviously, and in math, if we have multiple terms in the numerator and terms in the denominator, we can split up a fraction like this to make it multiple fractions, okay? So I can put each term in the numerator divided by the denominator. Again, each term in the numerator and divide by the denominator. So how many fractions will I have based on that? 3. So I have p is equal to 5x to the 8th over x cubed plus 3x to the 4th over x cubed plus x cubed over x cubed. Questions? And now this problem is exactly like this. Okay? Question? No? Okay. Do we see this? This problem now is exactly like this. You just have to subtract the exponents and do the power rule. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to go kind of quick, so stop me if you don't understand what I'm doing. So right now I'm just taking the exponents and I'm subtracting them. Then I'm simplifying. Remember, x to the 0 is 1. Again, some students stop here thinking they took the derivative. You did not use any rules to find the derivative. All you did was rewrite it to use the derivative rules. So I'm going to use the derivative rule, p prime, 5 times 5, x to the 5 minus 1, plus 3 times 1, x to the 1 minus 1. And Osvaldo, this is a constant, so what's the derivative? 0. So I have p prime is equal to 25, x to the 4th, plus 3, and that's it.